What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. So today I'm gonna start the first project on Matplotlib. So this is going to be very interesting and very unique video, because in this video I'll be going to take one live data set. I'll do some operation using pandas, and after that I'll be plotting some nice looking graph, and after that I will create one PDF dashboard using the same graph. So it will be like presentable for any sort of uh, like what do you say, presentation or reporting. Not this report, but the process which I'm gonna cover. By using that, you can create any sort of like dashboard or any sort of PDF report. So it's kind of like uh, how to create a PDF report using Python. The title or the tagline or the high level high level like subject of this video should be like this, that how to create nice looking PDF report using Python. Or in this PDF report I'll be going to create multi page report. It is not going to be a single page. Again, it will be a multi page. Again, inside the page there will be text, there will be graphs, probably if you go into more detail, the graphs means the images. So I'll be teach you guys like how to do all those things, but the main objective is the Matplotlib. So if you do and if you go and start writing like Matplotlib graphs, that is fine, but in terms of your real life like project or any sort of like client engagement, customer engagement, or whatever you are doing in your in some sort of freelancing and all, you have to do something like you have to ultimately build or ultimately develop or deliver some sort of report, so that it will be presentable to the client executive board or whoever is your client, so that they can go through it. And of course you're not going to submit this Jupyter notebook to the customer, right? So there should be something. So that is why I told you like I'll be going to create some real life project, like how you should use Python to create some real life like uh, like real report, like how the real report looks actually when you are going to do something using Matplotlib. Yes, like creating graph is fine using codes and Python and all, but after that you have to give some added you have to add some added or you have to add some extra features or things, so that you can get the report like graphs inside one PDF report. So this is the main thing. So first part I'll be going to use one data set, or rather I will be loading the data set. From the data set I'll be doing some sort of operation, but those operations are not going to be very simple. It will be very complex. And again, complex means for someone or those who are not familiar of pandas, for them it will be complex, but again those are already familiar with pandas, it will be very simple, but again it is very powerful. So I'll be going to touch all those powerful like techniques or tricks, so that it will give you some added or extra edge on your real life data analytics or data science or machine learning prerequisite kind of thing. And after we complete those pandas operation, then I'll be creating the graphs. I'll be creating those graphs inside this Jupyter notebook, and from Jupyter notebook I'll be like adding those images inside the PDF report, and I'll be creating one consolidated PDF report. So it will be like four parts: reading data set, manipulating data set, plotting graphs, adding graphs into a PDF file, and generating one consolidated PDF report. So there are total 5 things. I'm gonna cover all these things inside the video. So the data set is this one, this Canada XLS. So let me just open this thing. So this is from United Nations data, for Canada, like for every country, there is a column from year 1980 to 2013. So I can take any country data set, but again, I'm just taking Canada because this is kind of complete. And you can get this data from Kaggle, www.kaggle.com, and go to the data set, just search with Canada, you will get the data set. So I'll be doing some sort of operation. What I'll be going to do, I'll be I'll be I'll be plotting the immigrants from every country based on their year. So in the x-axis, I'll be taking this like numbers as a year, and y-axis I'll be taking this number. uh, so x-axis will be this year and y-axis will be this number, and for every country this will be one level. So for every row there will be one graph, and after that I'll be going to create one separate PDF report. Every page should contain one graph for one country. So this is the high level prerequisite, high level objective of our project. Not high level, this is the high level, and this is the actual objective of our project. So let's get started. So before going to start, let me just load this data set. Okay, let me ask Supratim, cause he is expert in pandas. Recently he has passed his data science degree, so if he can add something. Supratim, would you like to add something?
Jokes apart, what do you do want to add in this?
Sorry.
What do you want to add me in this? You are going to load that data set that is on one XLS file, right?
Right.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. So let me just load the dataset df dot pd dot read excel. Then this is okay. This is the file name canada.xls, and I think there are multiple sheets. Thing I am only interested for this sheet, Canada by citizenship. So let me okay. So okay, is duplicated use sheet underscore name. Okay, let me check. So this is not correct, something we need to change, but I would like to show you. That is why I'm just doing the mistake intentionally. So this is something nan and all. So we need to skip rows 20. Why this is like see up to this we can ignore. Our actual thing starts from here. So that is why I'm just keeping all these rows up to 20. Okay, then it's fine, but there is something is missing there. We need to check whether it is just creating everything or not. So for that we need to do something. Let's make it 50. Now everything will come, nothing is missed. You can check. So our data has been loaded correctly. So next thing, so what we are trying to achieve, we're trying to achieve, for example, like for every country, uh, uh, the plotting based on this thing. So to do that, first let me just change this thing, like this header, uh, sorry, not header, row level index. We should change that. I will tell you why we change that. If you don't change after that, uh, mm, mm, we should, we can keep this like 0 1 to 4 like this, but I'm why I'm doing that I will tell you. Okay, so for the time being it's still like this, and after that just df underscore Canada, and let me just check. Okay, okay, there are total 197, so let me first check how many are actually unique. Okay, so to do that, okay, so we have seen there are total 197 rows. So let me just check the length of this one, so we'll be able to understand whether how is there any duplicate or not. So total unique value is 197 and total row is also 197. So this list contains uh, all the country name, and all the country names are unique. So for example, let me just country equals to this, it will be 197. So let me just remove this thing. So country 0 will be Afghanistan. Cool, interesting. Now let me just take all the indexes from there. So index underscore df equals to df underscore Canada dot index. So index underscore df 0 will be 0, right? So let me change the index now. So df underscore Canada dot rename this, create a dictionary, then there will be list comprehension. I'll be going to use that. Index 0 I equals to country I for I in range 0 to 197, and axis equals to index in place equals to true. Well, if you check that, cool, right? Afghanistan, Albania, so all the indexes are now like change as per this thing. Now let me just omit all these things. I am only interested about this one. Okay, so how to do that? Df underscore Canada underscore new equals to df underscore Canada, df underscore Canada, then odd name. Okay, before doing that it will actually return. Okay, let me check. df_canada. Okay, not null. So actually if you check, it will return every rows. It will return all the rows, right? But we are not interested for everything. We are only interested for this year. So to achieve that, let me create one list with year list, then mm, range 1980 to 2014. Why 2014? Because the last element is 2013. So let me check. Oh, sorry, quite nice, cool. So what I'll do the next step, I'll be putting it over here like year. Well, I believe this should work. Fine, interesting. So everything is here. So the next thing is the plotting. Plt dot plot, and mm, df dot canada, this one, right? Dot loc, df.canada.loc. Inside that, you have to just give of g h a n i s t a n. Nice. So you guys understand, like the target, like this is what I am trying to achieve, but this is not done. There are multiple things are still pending, but I'm just keeping this open for your understanding. And let me just write the code in a single line tab, then it will be easier for understand. So I'm just going to mute, and I'm just copy pasting the code from one column to the different column. Okay. Supratim, would you like to add something so I can go into mute and just rearrange the code? Would you like to add something?
Instead of doing that change of index, can't we use stacking or unstacking method or cross tab method?
Okay, but the target is that why I'm changing this index, I'll tell you. Like we need to like have this label over here. This label. I'm just, let me show you why I did that. Okay, just give me some time. df underscore canada underscore new dot index equals to index underscore new index underscore new. See this index, if I don't change that, you see that how we'll get this zero thing. and it will be difficult to get this thing, because if you don't change that, then it will be difficult, like to get all the records. Like, yes, you can do it, but you have to do some other operations to get that. Anyways, you have to do this thing. You have to do this thing. Stacking, probably we can use some for other cases, but for this thing, for plotting country wise, like um, population growth country wise, with x-axis all the like years starting from 80 to 85, and along with the label, you need this uh, country values inside some sort of list or something. To get the list, I need this thing over here, or else it will be difficult. You can do it stack wise. Then what you have to do, you have to like what is your actual thing? Okay, this is here, like df underscore canada here, right? You can directly plot from here, but like this. Okay, df underscore.
I am what I am saying. If you use cross tab
Hmm,
on that
hmm.
and take only those the columns, multi columns means in cross tab you can use so any your data
Okay,
frame
okay,
as
okay. Do one
row
thing.
and column.
It will be easier for the students. So I'm just giving you the control. You just create this one graph using cross tab. Then it will be easier for them to understand, like in a different way. So I'm just giving the control to you. Okay, take the control. You got the control.
Uh, no, mouse is not moving.
Okay, I have given to you. Now,
It's not showing. Yeah, it is right now. It is showing.
someone send an email on your email ID. You haven't checked. Okay, I
I
have, I
don't
have
know why Gmail is not coming to.
what? You are not able to see my screen?
Yeah, I am able to see your screen. What I am saying, Gmail notification are not coming to my mobile. Don't know why.
Okay. Okay. I have sent you the data set.
Okay, let me first
Go to sent item and
open
download
it.
from there. Go to your Gmail sent item and the topmost email. Actually, I sent myself, but in the sent item you will get the attachment.
Okay, no issue.
Hmm. So till the time you are doing, let me just do this thing one by one. Yes. Okay. Okay, we should remove all this thing. Oh shit. Okay. I was deleting everything. Okay, so guys, let me just make this thing like this. Meanwhile, Shukrutin is doing like set maximum column for display, read data set by keeping the keep the first 20 rows. Find the unique country names. Find the index row label index. Change the index into corresponding country from the row from the same row from that row, creating a list containing all the years, generating modified data frame with only country years as column, creating list with new row label index, plotting the chart for first row. Okay guys, so this is the code and I have put like column for each and every line, so it will be self-explanatory right now. So just go through it, you will be able to understand. I'm just keeping this open for 5 minutes, and meanwhile Shupratim is doing something. So he will show us another way of doing this thing. So don't worry, I'll be going to put this code in GitHub again. So but for the time being, to understand, to make yourself comfortable, just go through it, try to understand whatever I have written in the comment section, so it will be easier for you to understand and the logic. But now the next thing is that I have to create 197 chart, and I have to put all the 197 chart inside a PDF report, and I have to generate the PDF consolidated PDF report so that it can be presentable. So this is just 20%. The remaining 80% is still pending. Shupratim, are you there? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Could you please share your screen?
Let me first finish it, then I will share it.
No, no, I want to see it. Viewers are excited, wanted to see your screen.
Okay.
Okay, I make you presenter. What happened? Okay. So guys, something is happening over here. Just
It is not working like that. I have to check it. Hello.
Okay, 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 fine. Okay, so the next thing is that we need to create like 197 like graph. So what is going to happen next? So like let me just create one like follow for I in range. What will be the thing like length of this thing, right? Okay. Then there will be fig and ax equals to plt dot subplots, right? Why subplot, guys? If you remember, just if you don't remember, just go through my I think last video. It's like already like I've already mentioned like why we should use subplots, right? And then let's just give me one fixed size like 10 6 or probably I'm not sure 12 10, and then well this is quite nice. Okay, this is fine. So I think I am just forgetting something. Okay, from I'm just forgetting something. I'm still not able to remember. I actually forget something. Hmm, what I forgot actually. Let me just think. What I forgot. I actually forgot something. I think matplotlib dot ticker import ticker. This is one thing, and from matplotlib dot ticker import like multiple locator like auto minor locator. Then let me just like ax dot x axis dot set underscore mm, minor underscore locator equals to auto minor locator x dot y axis. Leave yx dot y axis. It's the same. Okay, then x dot tick underscore param equals to which equals to both width equals to like 5. I'm just giving the ticks. measure lng length equals to 7, color equals to green, and minor length equals to probably 5, color equals to red. This is done. Then ax equals to plt.plot I and label label equals to I. Okay, so this is done. So let me just plt dot tight layout. I think I should stop this, so just check whether everything is working or not. Invalid things. Import ticker matplotlib. Okay, from matplotlib, just thinking what is going wrong. Well, this will be like import matplotlib as ticker thing. For us would be ticker.locator. Something is wrong over here. Okay, just thinking why this is not working. Let me check the code again. So this is fine, this is fine. Okay, x dot x axis dot set, actually forgot to set underscore major underscore locator equals to ticker dot multiple locator, and this should be, I'm just thinking what could be this thing. Could be like 1, not sure. Run it. Formatted argument should be instead of a matplotlib ticker dot locator. X dot tick dot param. Okay, like this is it's a mistake. I'm not sure what is happening over there. Let me check. Okay, okay, X-axis object set measure locator. Okay, now it is working. This should create 197 like plot. This is creating one warning just because I am trying to create multiple plots, so I can change that. Like this is just a warning. Don't worry. So it will definitely like generate the plot. I'm not sure whether Supratim is here or not. Supratim, are you here? Are you listening to me? Okay. See, this is creating actually. This is pretty nice. Not sure why this is not working. Ticker dot multiple locator. This is actually not working. Two. Five. Mm, it is only taking five. Green. This thing like green. It is not taking the minor thing over here. Not sure why it is not taking this. This strange, but again we can ignore this thing for the time being. Probably there are some settings or something still is missing, but if you see like it is taking this green text. Okay, let me just use my own style what we developed last time, like plt dot style dot use Uh, Everything is coming, but the ticks are not coming. I'm not sure what happened. I'm just thinking, like, what should be changed. Mm, okay. So if the tick is not going to work now, then I will just ignore that part because our main objective is to create the plot, so we can concentrate on this tick thing for another time. But I think we have already covered this thing in our last video. For due to some reason, it is not working now, so I'm not sure. I think I have just cleared this thing. That is why I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This time it is working. Like suddenly everything is coming up over here. Okay, this cool. This nice. So there will be total 197 plots. So let me just change few things over here. Plt dot like title will be like immigration data for this. Plt dot y label will be immigrant count. This is count, right? Let me just check. Thing, yes, this is immigrant count. Counts should be like immigrant counts. X label will be year, years. Let's just create a grid over here. Plt dot grid. Let me just do it for 2. Well, perfectly okay. So plt dot legend location 9 is fine. Let me check. Thing location 8 is also fine. Let me just check. I think location 6 will be most important. I think location 6 is fine. It's middle. Okay. So it will be like I. This will be as well I. Afghanistan, Albania. So this is fine. So we'll be going to create the PDF thing now. So just give me some time. I'll be going to create the PDF thing now. Well, guys, I'm back. So hope you guys understand the code. So now our next part is to creating mm, like multiple multiple images for every plot. So for doing that, it will be like fig dot save fig. Inside that, you have to just give like this thing dot png. mm, Color equals to fig dot get. I think it will be fig dot get face color, or else why I'm doing this, or else it will become PNG, so it will become transparent. So I have to do like this. Fig dot get underscore like face color. Okay, so if you create like this, then it will create multiple this thing. Uh, what do you say? Like multiple PNG files. We can check it later. So let's run it. It's true, and if you go in this directory, see. Uh, mm, okay, I have given to 2, but range I2 documents Matplotlib. I'm not sure why this is creating multiple files. Let me check. Okay, so let me just do this. So it should create two PNG files. So let me check that over here. Okay, if you see there are two PNG files created, let me just open that. This is one and this is the next one. So now the next part is that I'll be writing few lines of code to like uh, add those image inside a PDF file. For importing that, we need to import few libraries. For example, let me just escape below, import those things from reportlab.pdf gen import canvas from reportlab.lib.units import like star. Okay, so the library is Reportlab. You can install Reportlab like this, like pip. The process of installing Reportlab is like this. So in my case, it is saying that requirement already satisfied. So in this way, you can install Reportlab. So now let me just start creating the PDFs now. So for doing that, I have to just create one PDF file or like canvas dot canvas equals to report dot pdf, then I have to like c dot translate like centimeter and centimeter, and then c dot set like fill color gb, and the color should be I'm just thinking what should be the color. mm, Let me just make it 110. I think this is the right color combination. Probably yes, this is the right color combination, so it will create an yellowish white background. And after that, let me just create sorry, this will be create one yellow like thing, square. Then c dot draw rect, then this will be like x-axis, x coordinate, y coordinate, then height and width, like width and height, then it will be like 800 by 7, probably 792, and then like fill equals to 1, like this. Okay, so like this we can create. Well, in this way you can install like Matplotlib this thing, and after that you just once this is done, this is actually going to create one rectangle over here, like inside the PDF page, and from PDF, inside the PDF page you have to just you have to just plot your like graphs. So the next thing will be like uh, just next thing will be like c dot set. I think I just want to put some sort of this thing, and it should be 100. uh, Another line, probably it will be red, I believe. And after that, c dot set, I think set font, probably it's not coming. Let me just check. Let me just Helvetica, and the size should be, I think 30 is big enough. And after that I'll just mm, put this thing like uh, c dot draw string, fine, probably this is caps. And what am I going to write over there, like I think this one is fine. Okay, let me just, and the coordinates will be let me just check. First the coordinate like 5 and probably 660 is fine. And next will be another line I'd like to add. Probably it will be 630, and this time it will be like report generated by technology. Okay, the next thing is that we need to add this thing, draw image, or yes, like I have to add the image over here. So it will be c dot draw image, image, and I have to just give the coordinate. So like, so the image name, I have to pass that. So image name is this one, and the coordinates will be 5 dot 90, probably 590, then with this 480 and height probably 400 is fine. I think this is fine. Then I have to just add another page, show page, and at the end I have to just call it c dot save. That's it. So it should create one PDF file with this report. I will explain each and every line one by one, but before that let me just run this code to check whether it is working or not. It is saying invalid syntax, or probably okay, I just missed comma. Canvas object has no, okay, probably draw rect is not working. Probably I just missed some like capital casing over there. Not sure why it is saying okay. Okay, I think it is only rect. Let me run this again. Okay. Canvas object has no attribute show page. Mm, why there is nothing called show page? I always did mistake with capital letter and all. So let's try this. So it should create one PDF file over here. Let me just check. Okay. Okay. See, the report has been created, but it is only for two. Immigration data for Afghanistan, and this is immigration data for Albania, but I'm not sure why the this thing has been like cut it from the below. Not sure. I'm not sure what happened over there. Let me just check it. Okay, let me just check it. Okay, it is slightly like okay. Let me just make it a bit larger. Okay. Not sure. Everything is fine, but the size is not working as expected. Some part of this thing has been like mm, let me just adjust this thing over here. Where is that? Okay, b box underscore inch equals to I just by mistake I have created it's cut from the bottom actually. Well, I'm not sure. Mm, let me just recheck it. If I do it from 80, probably documents, Matplotlib. Okay, not sure. Like this is also from that side. Also, it is something is actually not working. It's strange. Let me check that. Okay, it's 580. Not sure why this is working like this. Okay, let me start this from 10 and probably let's try this report. It's working, but from sideways it has been like a bit Like I'm not okay with the size actually. The size is not working as expected. Let's try with some bigger size. Okay. C dot rect 58090 C dot set fill color. Okay. Just let me just block this for the time being. Okay. So let's try to open this again. Now I think this is not working actually. If you see, this image has been cut from this side and it is also cut from this side. I'm not sure what is happening over here. Let me just check. Okay, let me just open the actual this file first. Okay, actually these files are not generated properly. That is why the problem is creating over here. So I believe I need to okay cut. I think okay. Let me okay. Now I think it should work. Report. Well, now everything is fine, nice and working. So I need to change the coordinates like what was there at the beginning. Like it will be 590. I think it was something around 480, I believe. I think it is like 480 and 400 probably. So because of that, it was not working. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, done. Let me open this report thing again. Immigration report data for Afghanistan, report generated by Total Technology, immigration data for Afghanistan, immigration count, immigration years, immigration data for Albania, report generated by Total Technology, this. Okay, fine. So let me just run this code for everything. So I have to just change this from to this thing like length of right, and it should generate some sort of warning, but don't worry, it will generate all the png files and the report. So let me just remove this to pdf file first, move to trash and move to trash. So now I'm just running the code and I'll put myself on mute, so it will take some time, but you guys just watch what is happening over there. Okay, so let me first put myself on mute. It's strange. It is not plotting all the countries. Only it's plotted this thing. So let me just check the length of this thing first. Let me just check this thing. Okay, I did a mistake. I did a mistake. It should be. It should be this. Rather, I did a mistake. So guys, sorry guys. So I did a mistake. So don't worry. I'm just again running the code and keeping myself on mute. Well, guys, so this is working. Let me just open this thing. See, it is creating like PNG files for all the countries. So let's just wait for another like 5-10 seconds. So it will be generating the consolidated report. So it's generating. So it's generating again. Cool. It's generating the file. Okay, it's working. It's going on. It's going on. Okay, Philippines.
Hello.
Okay, Romania.
Hello, hello.
Okay, then Serbia. Okay, South Africa, Switzerland. Sorry, Swaziland. Not sure what is that country. I think another 20 or 50 countries, 20, 25 countries still left. We are on HT, United Republic of Tanzania. Probably it is going to be finished soon. Okay, that's all. So this is the report. Cool. See, immigration data for Afghanistan. This is Afghanistan. Yes. Immigration data for Albania. Report generated with technology. Immigration data for Albania. Quite nice and interesting, and only half an hour you have to invest, and only 15 lines of code you create like interesting dashboards for your company, for your project, for your customer, or for your if you're going for some speech or proposal or whatever. You can just create only investing 10, 15 minutes or 30 minutes of time. You can understand, like it was very complex, but I did it like within like 5 minutes. It took maybe 1.5 hour, more than 2 hours or more than that, but the core technical part is very simple. I took much time to explain each and everything in detail. So see, this is the report. So now let me just put the comments line by line, so it will be easier to understand. So I'm just going to put ourselves in the mute again because there are some guests in my home, so the kids are like shouting. So I'm just keeping myself on mute, and again once I'm done with the commenting of every each and every line, then I will again unmute myself and explain. So let me just keep the comment and explain each and every line now.
Hello, is my voice audible or not?
Okay, guys, so let me explain. So this is quite self-explanatory now. So here I'm just importing this things for ticker. Ticker is for like x ticks and y ticks things, and multiple locator for spacing things. I have already explained in my last video, part 6. You can just check all those things. Then I'm just creating one canvas object with this PDF. And after that, this is again very easy to understand. Subplot size. Then I'm just setting the like minor locator spacing for x-axis and y-axis, and after that I just setting the width of both ticks are having width of 5, and the major ticks are having length of 6 and color of green, and for minor it is length of 5 and color of red. You can understand from here this length is bigger and this length is smaller, but the width is same. Color is green for major and color is red for minor. It is I mentioned over there actually, so that is why like this. Then plt.canada. This is quite normal. All these things are normal. The important thing is over here, I just distributed the pdf page in centimeter by centimeter. Then I'm just filling it one yellow rectangle and filling it along with this coordinate like 55 and 800 and 792. And after that I'm just setting the font, and after that I'm just setting the font size, and after that I just wrote this thing like immigration data for this thing and this thing, and after just add this like png file from the created one. And after this, so this is done. So the next part should be something different, how to remove all this png file, because this is not at all required, right? For that you have to just what we have to do, we have to just import two more things, import os and import glob, then cwd equals to os dot get, I'm not sure, uh, get current working directory probably. Okay, then cwd equals will be like os dot get current working directory. Okay, then files equals to glob dot glob. Okay, then cwd, then this probably this, then star dot png. Okay, let me check whether it is all png files. Okay, all png files are done. Then for file in files, then just os dot remove, os dot remove is file. So that's all file will be removed. See, all pngs has gone now. So that's all, my friend. So what I did, this is quite interesting. Let me check whether I'm recording or not. Yes, I'm recording. It's not in mute. So first I load the data set. Okay, I just load the data set and I created one sample graph, and after that the main fun part starts. I'm manipulating the data. What I did in terms of manipulation, I changed the index, row level index from numbering to like country name, and after that I just change. I just created one sub data frame, like, and after that I just it's simple. After that I just plot it. So this is quite impressive, kind of technique. If you know, I'm just telling you that if you know this sort of techniques, then it will be quite impressive for your for any kind of work, whatever you are doing, whether you are doing just simple Excel kind of analysis, or you are like getting a data dump from SQL or big data, any other database, whatever. Like, I'm not sure. Probably you can just do and try and test using the same data set, or you can do it using some other country data set. But this is the one and only technique of creating pdf reports using reportlab. Reportlab is very like popular, but again there are very less resources are available in the like YouTube or Google. But reportlab is very well documented. Documented means from the reportlab, like authors are created very well documented things, and it is kind of like very underrated things. If you know this reportlab things, you can do anything. Like, there are multiple things can be done, very beautiful, eye-catching, like PDF dashboards as well. You can create using Reportlab. So as I told you, I'll be doing these live projects going on from like next week as well. So this is the video number 7. One project completed. Next video also I'll be doing, but in that case I'll be doing something different. But for the time being, just go through it. Whatever you think is missing or we can add, just let me know. I'll try to make it more like interactive, make it more like valuable for you guys. But till then, just go and get your id or pen and paper, or like whatever you are using, and try to write some code using these techniques. I believe this will definitely help you. And please try to create some report by your own, then you will be able to understand. Because before, when I was doing, I was also facing so many problems, and this logic is my own developed logic. Like, if you go into Stack Overflow and try to find this thing, you will not, definitely will not find that. And trust me, like whatever video I'm uploading or doing, I check before doing that whether the same types of videos are available in Google or Stack Overflow and YouTube. I'm not going to publish that, because if whenever I upload any videos, there are 0.1% chance that this video is available over the internet. I only target those topics. Those are actually very much like interesting and very much unique. And from same point of time, this will be like useful for someone to do something on their daily to daily life. Guys, that's lots of talking. So I have to go somewhere. And probably I'll be going to I'll have to prepare myself for next video, as I told you, like I'll be going to create some live projects from now onwards. So let me just conclude this session. This is the code. I think I've already explained. So this is quite long video, but again, I think you guys will definitely get some you guys will be definitely benefited from the video. So before going or closing this session, guys, please do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon whenever you think like this video will be beneficial for some of your friend, family, or student, whoever. Just share with them. If possible, just share randomly, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, whenever we need some more crowd or more audience, so it will actually motivate us. So that's all for today. Probably we'll see you tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is going. I will be very much busy for like India versus England cricket match. So I'm not sure whether I'll be going to publish another video or not. But definitely I will try to. I will try to do it by today. If today is not possible, then I'll be doing it on Monday. So till then, I think this is quite like handful of information or a topic I have covered. So just go through it, try to do it by your own, try to do some or experiment with some another logic. If you face some difficulties, don't hesitate. Try to send me an email, send me like whatever, like YouTube, like comment or email, or directly to our Facebook page. I'll definitely try to help you guys. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.